Hello friends, I'm back with my new video. Today I'm gonna make a homemade Play-Doh. I'm excited! Are you? Let's check what we need for this. We need a bowl, table salt, oil, flour, zip bags, warm water, and food coloring. Let's start. First, we will mix flour and salt. Now we will add oil. And the last thing is to add water. Now we will mix it. It's time to ask your friends for help. Look at this, friends. It's not sticking to my hands. That means the dough is ready. Now we will divide it into 4 pieces. Let's color it now. We're going to use the bags to color it. I am going to start with the color blue. Wow! Look at this. What color should I choose now? Color red. Look at my Play-Doh. We have green, red, blue and yellow. Let's try some shapes now. First, I'm going to use a circle. Three, two, 1. Let's make a blue star. Yellow, yellow, dirty fellow. Yellow square. Let's try the last one. Any guess? It's a heart. Let's put all the shapes together. Do star, yellow square, green heart, red circle. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked my Play-Doh video. Please subscribe and hit the like button. See you next time. Bye.